I like what I do. I'm in the bush. Yeah, this is home. This is, yeah, how further I can be from people a bit. I work with these amazing people and they've got these big ideas, and it's like kind of they challenge me to make something constantly better. So you build these things that is breathtaking. You get this reaction from people. Wow, yeah, they come for the first time, for instance, going to the dream cruise. I mean, how many proposals? Now it's a thing to propose on the dream cruise and stuff like that. It's flipping like I mean, I can't put it otherwise. And as well, I mean, working with this wildlife, working with Yona, I mean, we literally went to eat and came back, and there was a carcass of a rooibok where a leopard just killed it. The fresh tracks, the blood, everything, and it's just there. It's you can't explain it to somebody if they don't live it every day.